Alright, we're working on this 73 Camaro. We're going to be installing this kit. Definitely recommend a copper kit. These plastic lines that go for the triple gauges always leak. The fittings back here, I believe it's an eighth. We'll go ahead and take those off. We swap them. Show you what sizes will be in the comments. Yeah, so change those plastic lines. They catch fire, they leak. Do the brass, their way to go. These are Traeger. Not sure how much money. There's the part number. Get it online. Summit. All right, let's see what we got. All right, with this gauge cluster swung out, you can see what we're dealing with. These just pulled right out. The little fitting inside was not holding anymore. This is size is 3/8. This one to hold it in place is 9/16. We'll take this out with the little fitting that's in there, pull this back through the dash, and then we'll twist in the new one. We'll take this all the way out. I'll show you on the engine side. So we got the copper wire through basically the only hole here down here. It's gonna go up and over. It's gonna go underneath the wires. I just wanted to show you the fitting down there. Gotta get my light on it. So yeah, it's gonna be the same 3/8 cap. Pull that off, put the new ferrule on, the new end, and then it should be good to go. And then we'll do the other side. So the kit comes with all the new fittings that you might need, whether it's this style or you can adapt this one. What I wanted to show was what the new ferrules look like compared to what the old ones did. Once they smash them, you're pretty much done. You bought a new kit, don't reuse these. If you have to on the side of the road, goop them up, make a seal, whatever you gotta do to get home or the next spot. But when you're at the house fixing it, use all the new stuff. You paid for it. About 50